Back row, hop in. Get seated in there like I showed you. Get T-grips in your hand. We are going down river to have some fun. Full tilt boogie like Janis Joplin said. Get those T-grips in your hands. Don't let go of T-grip. Give me two. I know your mama spent money on them teeth. My mama's a retired school teacher. She's in that secret mom telephone book. I don't want to get on restrictions because you lost teeth. Give me two, team. I know it's funny, but it's also true. And just because in my 50s, my mom still thinks I'm a little kid, so I will get on restrictions if you get hurt. Smile, kids. Our photographer's looking upstream at you. She's taking your picture. So give me two. I want a action photo. Okay, relax. I'm a little offline now. It's going to be a big hit. I'm going over projector. Isn't it good stuff? This is where I want to be. Don't worry. Just listen up. Whoa, that was crazy. Something weird happened. Okay, get ready. We're going to have a little bump on the right, probably. Not kidding, didn't you? Give me one forward, team. Everybody. Big bump, don't fall out. Now ain't hold on. Get down. Paddles up. That's why I got you down, and where you fall out. Okay, hop up. All right, get down, paddle straight up. Oh, he barely missed it. I must be getting old. Give me two, team, hop up. Okay, kids, smile, make silly faces. She's snapping photos already. Yeah, man. Get ready, team. Give me one as a warm-up. Be ready. Set. Give me three. Whoa! It's okay. I'm gonna try to get us off with this without anything crazy happening. Right side, give me two strokes. Right side. Everybody shift all the way to the right side. Slide all the way to your buddy on the right. Okay, everybody move back where you were. Front row. You come all the way back here. You get right there. Let her come first. Watch out, bump. Get down. All the way to here. You come back in the middle. Everybody who can, give me two backstrokes. Okay, lean in a little. We might get a jolt from behind. Back, I'm counting on it. Everybody get back in your original seat and lean left. Lean left hard. All back on the left. Backside, take left strokes. Okay, forget that. Right side, take forward strokes. Backward strokes on the right, forward on the left. Forward on the left. Keep paddling. Backwards on the right. Because we didn't listen to instructions up there and we missed the front move. I'm using my weight to make the boat move. It's all good. It's not a problem. This happens all the time. You're fine. It's okay. Y'all didn't get hurt. I made a quick decision up there, and I didn't go for the main line, so I wouldn't smash you on those rocks. And Ed was setting safety for you guys. Y'all might not notice. Y'all can jump out too. I'll get you back in the boat. Are you gonna be okay if you're cast in the water? Yep. Okay. What part of Georgia are y'all from? How close is that to the coast? Good, good. You shouldn't get too cold then. Oh well, yeah, it could be a problem. Yeah, you can jump out. I'll pull you back in if you get cold, don't worry. They taught me that in guide school. Are you okay? I'll pull you back in. I might have got that in uncle school too. I am a granduncle. I got nieces and grandnieces.
Oh my God. Riley, look over the boat.
When we drop ledge, do not fall out, especially left side, and be ready to paddle because we got a crux move we got to make. I'm going to do most of the work, but I'm going to need y'all to paddle together. And the next ledge is called surprise, but it's not a good surprise. You don't want to know what it is. Give me 2, team. One more. And relax. We're looking pretty good. We still gonna have to work. Give me 1. Give me 2. Lean in, don't fall out. Give me 2, team, and I have the camera on so we can get some good video of this exciting bounce down the river. Give me 2, team. I don't know what my friend's doing. I see him moving his position. Give me 2, and he's taking a crazy line compared to normal, I think. I could be wrong. Give me 2 more. Oh, I know what he's up to. Give me 2 more. You'll see. Watch. No, you might not. Give me 2 more, team. And don't fall out. Oh, my. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Big bump, big bump. Good job, kids. Was that fun, kids? Give me 2. That's what I was hoping you'd say. Give me 2 more, team. 1 more. Relax. This is called Diamond Splitter. And that was which is told to provide a nice going splash. And relax, you're good.
They didn't even spin.
Give me 3 more, yeah. All right, think happy thoughts, stay loose, don't fall out, big hit. Give me 1, team. Give me 2 more, everybody. All right, I'm not gonna hit the rock, we're cool. All right, thank you so much for coming rafting with us at OAC. We really appreciate you.